Hello guys, hope you're doing well. Here we're going to factorize some questions via the difference of two squares. Let's get right into it. So we've got difference of two squared because it's something squared, take away something squared. X squared is obviously a square number. 25 is a square number because it's 5 times 5. When we factorize this, we take the square root of x, squared, by the way, which is x, and then like that, take the square root of 25, 5, and then we put plus and minus. It's as simple as that, guys. Next one. We've got y squared minus 49. So again, y and y, the square root of y squared, 7 and 7. We put a plus and minus 7 because it's the square root of 49. That's literally it. So next one, we end up with w plus 10 and then w minus 10. Okay, let me look at one that's a little bit more different-ish. 16 minus x squared down here. Take the square root of 16 is 4, plus x, and 4 minus x. So to know which one has the plus and minus that goes before and after it, well, it's the one that comes after the minus. Okay, and let's look at one down here with numbers in front of the x squared as well, or the letter squared. So the square root of 49 is 7. Square root of x squared is x. So it's 7x plus 4, it's the square root of 16. And you've got 7x minus 4. Cool, let's look at another one like that. This one here, 100 minus 81x squared. So square root of 100 is 10. And then we can put plus, square root of 81 is 9. Square root of x squared is x. So 10 plus 9x and 10 minus 9x. Awesome. Let's look at some slightly harder ones. Factorize fully each of the following. 2x squared minus 32. We can start off by factorizing like this. 2 open bracket x squared minus 16. Then we further factorize because the x squared minus 16 can be factorized by the difference of two squares. So that's 2 times x plus 4 and then x minus 4. Let's go for the next one. We've got here 2 lots of y squared minus 18. So that's 2 times y squared minus 9, which again can go to 2, and then this y squared minus 9 can be factorized to y plus 3 and y minus 3. Make sure you're doing these to get all the marks, guys. Let's look at one that looks less obvious. We've got 12x squared minus 147. Well, both of these are divisible by 3. So that becomes 3, open bracket, 4x squared minus 49. Oh, look at that. Look at that, guys. Come on. Then that becomes 3. And then this can be factorized by the difference of two squares. It's 4x squared. The square root of that is 2x. Then we've got plus 7. And we've got 2x minus 7. Now, we saw these hard ones. We're going to go right to these ones too. X to the 4 minus 1. Well, it is a square because it's an even power. What's the square root of x to the 4? Well, it's x squared. So we have x squared plus 1. And then we have x squared minus 1. But wait, that can be factorized too. The x squared minus 1 at least, because it's a difference of two squares. One's a square number, x squared is a square number. So that becomes x squared plus 1 in the first bracket, doesn't change. Second bracket, we have x plus 1, x minus 1. Whew, wow. Okay, let's go for another one over here. We've got, let's go for this one here. 144x to the power of 8. Well, the square root of 144 is 12. And then we've got x to the power of 8, square rooted is x to the power of 4. Remember, x to the power of 4 times x to the power of 4 is x to the power of 8. And that's 12x to the power of 4 plus 1. That's the square root of 1. And 12x to the power of 4 minus 1. Okay, there we go. Take care, guys. Until next time.